Gusto mo bang kumita gamit ang iyong cellphone, tablet, at laptop sang sulok ka man ng mundo? Do you want to be part of an online business company that is ISO certified and has all the solid legal certificates from the Department of Trade and Industries, Securities and Exchange Commission? Not only that, we also have hundreds of offices worldwide: Hong Kong, Dubai, Qatar, Bahrain, Nigeria, Gabon, and USA, and has thousands of distributors all over the world. We were also featured on different TV segments such as Go Negosyo, Ascenso Pinoy, CNN Philippines, PTV4, Jessica Soho, and Rated Gay. Kung handa ka na, just follow these 4 easy steps. Step 1. Be one of our business partner. Sa halagang 8,998 pesos, considered ka na as our business partner. Meron ka ng 10,000 pesos worth of products, 50% lifetime discount, travel incentives, 120,000 pesos family accident insurance, and you will have a maximum income potential of up to 450,000 pesos per month. Step 2. Learn the business. Take time to learn and study what this business is all about. How does it work? How does this industry work? Step 3. Identify 4 people. Dahil sa napakadaling online business na ito, madali ka rin makakakuha ng 4 na tao na gusto rin kumita ng higit 450,000 pesos monthly. Step 4. Consume, sell, and share 62.5 points a month. Our products are FDA approved, halal certified, and listed at the Philippine Pharmaceutical Directory. We are also recognized by Super Brands. It is a worldwide company that pays tribute to the strongest and most valuable brand in the world. You can purchase packages and products online and pay through bank deposits, credit card, e-wallet, and cash on delivery. Not only that, we have a drop shipping system facility wherein you don't need to spend extra money to pay for the product inventory, warehouse, and staff. If a customer orders from you, we will take care of everything, from packing their orders, delivering it, and making sure that you will receive your commission. Ang dali lang, di ba? Alam mo ba na kaya mo pang kumita ng mas malaki using our online system? Kapag nag-avail ka ng 3 stores, you will have a potential income of up to 1.3 million a month. Avail our 7 stores and have a potential income of up to 3.1 million a month. Or you can maximize your income with our business package and earn as much as 6.7 million pesos. This is how we do it before. And this is how we're doing it in the new normal. So ano pang inaantay mo? Start your online business today and be part of the most trending online system that produce local and global leaders. Message us now to avail our limited time offer promo.